tell Hal. Guys, I made the earth move under my feet. I made the sky come tumbling, tumble.
Man, oh man, what is that?
Howdy, Hal, everybody.
Papa Vole, long time no see. What's up, baby?
Well, I just moseyed by to ask if we could bunk in with you tonight. Little problem at our burrow, so we need to find shelter.
Hey, Hal, Bud, I don't think...
Sure. You know what I always say? Mi casa es su casa. Wait, I think that's me who says that. Also, what does that mean?
Come on up, Ma. Bring the youngins.
Voles. See, Hal doesn't know voles like I do. You give an inch and voles bring all their kids. It's a sticky situation with voles. Hal, your new plants!
Huh? Oh, my! Phew! Whoa! Restroom is outside.
Oh, well, we just can't thank you enough. Kids, would you stop climbing on Mr. Hal? He's not a ladder.
Methinks that's it for rehearsal.
Then, the lovely princess. Was she a vole? Sure, yeah, a vole.
And as the giant wildebeest rampaged toward me...
But our forest doesn't have wildebeests.
I know that. He was visiting from out of town. For leisure.
Oh.
Me and Ma feel downright terrible taking your bed away from you.
Oh, please, it's yours. I can sleep anywhere. Oh, boy.
Oh, thank you so much, Hal. You're a dear.
Don't worry. As I always say, home is where the heart is. Wait, is that me who always says that? Also, what does that mean? Bye, Hal. Tomorrow, it is bright and early for rehearsal. Tally ho! Don't wake the kids. Okay, see you in the morning. Okay, well, sure, I could sleep anywhere. Looks like it's the old roof for Hallie Boy.
Hal! Sure sorry to bother you, Hal, but is it okay to help ourselves to a little snackaroo?
Sure, I always say snacks are so more yummy when shared two also. I'm always saying stuff like that. I have no idea what any of it means.
Great. Thanks for the snack. Good night, Hal.
Good night, Papa Vole.
Good night, everybody.
Good night, Papa. Good night, Mama.
Good night, children.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, Cowboy.
Good night, Maggie.
Good night, Jim Bob. Good night, Peggy. Good night, John Boy.
Good night, Papa. Good night, Mama.
Good night, children.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Tally ho! Who's ready to rehearse?
Hey, Hal, you look terrible. Voles, right?
Just give me a sec, okay? Okay, I'll just get my sticks and we'll...
Hal, your plants! They were growing so tall.
And the roots were delicious.
Hal, you gotta get rid of the voles. You're not gonna have any home left by the time they're done.
Ah, Mr. Chewinski! Nobody puts Mr. Chewinski in a corner. Now, I have had the time of my life, but for Mr. Chewinski's sake, hospitable Hal has got to get tough. Papa Vole, a word, kind sir. Papa Vole, I know that earlier mi casa was su casa. However, things have changed.
And then the big bad wolf said,
Little pigs, let me in.
Oh, they're so cute.
Yep, they're my pride and joy. Don't know what we'd have done if you hadn't taken us in. Now, what were you saying?
I was saying stay as long as you need and let Uncle Hal know if I can help you with anything.
Cuteness factor got you, huh, Hal?
Yep, you see right through me, Squeaks. Can't disrupt story time, so let's go rehearse in our favorite spot.
Hal, need a little help here.
No, you guys go ahead. I'll catch up.
Drums. We keep losing the tempo.
I'm here!
Hey, what took you so long, Hal, my pal?
They wouldn't take their nap, so Mama suggested I take them for a push. I mean, did the trick, they're off to Lullaby Land.
Phew, glad you're back. This song is in Nowheresville. Hop in, Hal.
Oh, snacky time!
Man, oh man, this is madness. We can't rehearse. Hal, you're gonna go crazy with the voles living in your house.
I know, Squeaks, but I don't think I can get them to leave.
Hal, maybe you can. Remember the age-old story of the Pied Piper?
Ooh, I love the Pied Piper. In fact, I once portrayed him in the Neighborhood Animals Nature Theater production of The Pied Piper.
Well, put down that lute and get out your flute. Because I think the Pied Piper is exactly what we need to lure the voles out of Hal's house. Okay, Piper, you got this. Lure them back to their vole burrow with your sweet song.
Bravo! Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, voles. My Pied Piper always draws a crowd.
Yeah, you're telling me. Now there are even more voles than before. I don't get it. Can someone please explain to me why Mama and Papa Vole had to leave their own house and take over Hal's?
Oh, I know the answer to this one. It was because of a snake.
Ew, snakes!
Yeah, while they were out foraging, a lady garter snake moved into their burrow.
Yeah, and there's no kidding around, because a vole could be a meal for a garter snake.